Sa video na to, i-walk through natin kung paano i-setup ang Wix booking para yung mga clients mo makapag-schedule ng services, appointments, or classes diretso sa website mo. What's up guys? I'm Ashley at kung nasubukan mo nang i-manage yung schedule mo gamit DMs, email, and text, sabay-sabay alam mo na kung gaano ka-messy yun. Wix Bookings gives you one place kung saan makikita ng mga tao kung ano yung na-offer mo, pipili sila ng time na okay sa kanila, and then pay online without any back and forth. Sa video na to, i-explain ko kung ano siya and go over the main features you actually need to know about, tapos bibigyan kita ng step-by-step tutorial. Para ma-setup mo siya sa sarili mong site, let's get into it now. Let's start off with the basics. Pag-usapan muna natin kung ano ba talaga siya. So, yung Wix Bookings ay isang online scheduling system na built na mismo sa Wix platform. Instead na gumagamit ka ng hiwalay na booking tool or i-track mo lahat manually, you can just turn on Wix Bookings and let the site handle appointments for you. Kapag may bumisita sa site mo, pwede nilang i-browse yung services mo, pumili ng date, time, fill out any information you need at tapusin ang payment all in one flow. Behind the scenes, yung Wix Bookings sina-add yung appointment sa calendar mo, nagsisend ng confirmation emails, and can send reminders so people don't forget their session. Gumagana siya for one-to-one service tulad ng coaching or hair appointments, pati na rin mga options like fitness classes, workshops, or small events. Pwede mo rin i-manage yung schedule ng staff, mag-assign ng services sa iba't ibang team members at i-sync lahat sa external calendar mo para hindi ka ma-double book. Dahil part ng Wix ecosystem, yung Wix Bookings, connected din siya sa Wix Payments, email marketing, contacts, and member areas. Ibig sabihin yung booking system mo, website, and client list mo nasa iisang place lang. Instead na hiwa-hiwalay sa iba't ibang platforms, I just wanted to quickly touch on a couple of key features before we get into the step-by-step tutorial. So yung main strength ng Wix Bookings is ginagawa niyang clear and clickable options yung services mo sa website. Gumagawa ka ng list ng mga ina-offer mo, tapos bawat service may sarili siyang page na may name, description, price, duration, and location. At pwede mong piliin kung individual appointment ba siya, group class, or recurring session. Ikaw din magkocontrol kung paano mag-book ang mga tao sa'yo. You can decide if they have to pay in full when they book, pay a deposit, or book without paying and handle payment later. You can also set rules like how far in advance someone has to book or cancel. Tapos yung scheduling side naman, iset mo yung business hours mo at mga blocked off times. Sa dashboard, pwede mong i-connect yung Google Calendar mo or ibang calendar para yung online availability mo tugma sa real schedule mo. Kaya kung may team ka, pwede kang mag-add ng staff members, mag-assign ng services to them, and let clients choose who they wanna book with. Sa client side naman, Wix Bookings can create a simple booking flow at clear call to action buttons like book now or schedule appointment. Pwede mong ilagay yung mga CTA na to sa homepage, service pages, or kahit sa site menu. So, alam lagi ng mga tao kung saan sila magkiklik kapag ready na silang mag-book, okay? Now, let's get into how to actually set this up on your website. So, kung wala ka pang free Wix account, may link kami sa description para makapag-setup ka ng profile at account for free. Pag kinlik mo yung link, ilalagay mo lang yung email address mo, tapos ipaprompt ka mag-set ng password. Tapos mag-login ka na. Pag naka-login ka na, ang gagawin natin ay isa-select lang yung site na to para makagawa ka ng new site. I-click mo lang yung create new site. Okay? So, meron na kaming booking calendar dito kasi na-setup na namin to dati. Kung gusto mo siyang i-download, pwede mong i-click yung app, hanapin sa App Store, tapos i-type mo lang booking. As you can see, ito yung Wix Bookings na naka-install na siya. Pero kailangan mo lang gawin is i-click mo dito at i-install siya kung wala ka pa sa website mo. So ngayon, punta tayo sa actual booking, okay? As you can see, pwede ka mag-create ng new service dito like initial consultation, fitness coaching, o kaya nutrition coaching, okay? Meditation session, at kung may class naman siya, course, kahit ano pa yan, kung gusto mo mag-start from scratch, pwede rin natin gawin yon. So sabihin natin one-to-one coaching call. Kung gusto mo ng tagline, pwede ka mag-add dito. Pwede mong sabihin na this is a single session to help with nutrition coaching, okay? Pwede mong sabihin na 1 hour kung gusto mo ng buffer time, like maybe 5 minutes before and after, or 10 minutes before and after, pwede mo yan iset. Ngayon, sa price payment, pwede ka mag-charge ng per session, pwede rin through a plan. So, kung ang clients bibili ng membership o package para makapag-book ng sessions, whether per session or may plan, kung one-to-one call na i-charge mo, dapat per session yung payment. At kung parang may 6-month container siya, usually plan ang pipiliin mo doon, okay? Pwede ka mag-select ng fixed price, like maybe $249, tapos pwede mo i-add yung payment preferences, either buong amount online, magbabayad sila in person, online deposit, tapos yung rest is in person na. So, gawin na natin yung entire amount online. Pwede ka mag-add ng location, So kung Zoom ang gamit mo, i-click mo lang yung add, tapos ilalagay mo yung Zoom link mo doon para automatic siyang magpa-populate. Kung may multiple staff members ka, pwede mo rin siyang i-assign sa specific na tao. Pwede ka rin mag-add ng cover image kung gusto mo. Kung may Canva cover ka na ginawa, pwede mo siyang i-upload doon. Pwede sa booking policy, pwede kang gumawa ng new policy at i-add mo lang din doon. Pwede ka rin mag-add ng intake forms. Kung gusto mo rin, then yung booking form, yung default booking form, pwede rin gumawa ng new form kung gusto mo. So sa form, maybe first name, email, phone number, country, region, address, at any specific detail. Tapos pwede ka mag-add ng questions like, what is your main focus point? Maybe nutrition plan, maybe relationship with food, or just finding a healthy balance sa food, or maybe weight loss specifically, right? Okay, so na-save na natin yan dyan. Tapos, this message, pwede lang, please add anything else you need me to know. Okay, add natin yung make this a required. Actually, pwede rin natin gawing optional. Tapos, magdagdag pa tayo ng isang question like, long answer, please write out what you'd like to accomplish during our session. Okay? Any specific goals, etc. Okay, pwede natin i-save yan. So, ngayon, ready na yung form natin. Ang cool pa dito is pwede mong manually i-approve or decline yung booking request. Pwede mo rin siyang gawing automatic. Okay, so ngayon, set na siya. Meron tayong one-to-one coaching session, $249, 1 hour. Yung location natin is Zoom, then click natin yung save. So, makikita natin yung availability is Monday to Friday, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Baka gusto natin i-edit yan. So, cool. Gawin natin yung default hours natin. Maybe mag-start lang tayo ng calls from 12 to 1 p.m. or 6 to 6 p.m. Okay? Then, i-save natin yan as default hours. Kung gusto mo naman gumawa ng specific work schedule, pwede mo rin gawin yon. So, ngayon na nakasetup na lahat sa backend, i-add na lang natin siya sa site natin. So, maybe ito gusto natin isend sa booking page in new window. Okay, ngayon kung ipi-preview natin, makikita natin yung site natin tapos dadalhin ka niya sa booking page, then pwede mo lang i-click doon at mag-o-open yung booking page. Kaya gusto ko talaga ang Wix kasi sobrang simple niya. Parang ginaguide ka nila step by step sa lahat. So yeah, super simple talaga niya. At parang ginaguide ka talaga nila step by step. So, ngayon, nagets mo na kung ano yung Wix Bookings at paano siya gamitin. Pag-usapan naman natin yung pros and cons para ma-decide mo kung worth ba siya i-invest ng time and money mo. So, simulan na natin sa pros. Una, mamamanage mo lahat in one place. Yung clients, nakakapag-book sila anytime na convenient sa kanila kahit tulog ka or wala kang hawak na phone, and automatic confirmations and reminders reduce no-shows. The integration with the rest of Wix is another big plus. Yung booking system mo, contact list at website mo nasa isang place lang, so madali mong makikita kung sino yung nag-book, ano yung binili nila, at gaano kadalas silang bumabalik. Kung magde-decide kang mag-run ng email campaigns or member-only content later on, may foundation ka na agad na built-in. Pero on the other side, may trade-offs din. Kailangan ng Wix Bookings ng business or e-commerce level plan, so kailangan mo talaga mag-upgrade. Kung nasa lower tier ka pa, may payment processing fees pa rin depende sa provider na pipiliin mo. Tapos yung design flexibility ng booking widget is somewhat limited compared to fully custom solutions. Pwede mong i-adjust yung layout and colors pero hindi mo mare-redesign lahat ng details ng walang code or external tools. Kung ang business mo ay very complex scheduling needs, like multiple locations, rotating resources, or advanced reporting, baka medyo simple lang yung Wix Bookings para sa'yo. Pero overall, maganda talaga siya for most small to medium service businesses, but very large operations might outgrow it over time. Okay, since kailangan ka nga nasa upgraded plan, gusto ko rin ipakita sa'yo kung ano yung different options. So, they've got a bunch of different options, meron from light plan hanggang business elite plan. Right now, you can save 50% off from the core to business elite plan, pero hindi yan forever, so just make sure you're paying attention to that. One thing I also wanted to mention too is with each of these plans, you get a free domain for 1 year, tapos may 14-day money-back guarantee, and of course, wala na yung Wix branding as soon as mag-upgrade ka. So, sa light plan, pinakamaliit na yung number of collaborators, storage space, at light marketing suite lang yung meron ka. Tapos, pag nag-upgrade ka na, meron yung core plan which is $14.50 per month at naka 50% off pa yan. Dito, mas maraming collaborators, mas maraming storage, at upgraded marketing suite na. Tapos pwede ka rin mag-accept ng payments at basic e-commerce. So take note, sa light plan, hindi ka makaka-accept ng payments at wala siyang e-commerce function. Then we've got the business plan which is $19.50 per month at naka 50% off ulit yan. Mas maraming collaborators, mas maraming storage, upgraded marketing suite, and upgraded e-commerce din. Then lastly, yung business elite which is $79.50 per month at naka 50% off din yan. Dito makakakuha ka ng 100 collaborators, unlimited storage space, pinaka-advanced na marketing suite, e-commerce, and developer platform. So pipili ka ng plano swak sa needs mo, pwede ka mag-start sa light, then pag ready ka na, mag-upgrade, pwede ka na mag-core plan. Just so you know, sa booking, you're not gonna be able to accept any payments for the booking widget unless you are on the core plan at the minimum. Pero even right now na may 50% off, mas mura pa siya kaysa sa light plan. So pick a plan that best fits your needs and allow it to grow with you. Kung gagamit ka ba ng Wix Bookings, depende talaga yan kung paano pinapatakbo ang business mo at kung gaano ka-complicated yung schedule mo. Kung solo service provider ka or may small team ka at ginagamit mo yung Wix for your website, mas logical talaga na i-keep mo na lang yung bookings sa same platform. Wix Bookings works especially well for coaches, trainers, salon owners, tutors, photographers, and small studio na gusto ng professional way para makapag-book online yung clients. Pero kung kailangan mo ng deeper customization, advanced reporting, or plan to move your website off of Wix, in the near future, baka gusto mo rin i-compare yung Wix Bookings sa mga dedicated booking platforms bago ka mag-commit. Alam ko na sa simula medyo nakaka-intimidate siya pero once na mo-walk through mo siya step by step, actually sobrang straightforward lang pala niya. Kung gusto mong i-check out yung Wix Bookings for yourself, may link kami sa description below tapos pwede ka mag-access ng free account. Gusto ko lang din i-mention na affiliate link sa mga to which means kumikita kami ng small commission and no extra cost from you. So kung gagamitin mo yung links namin, maraming salamat in advance sa suporta mo sa channel namin. Malaking tulong to para makapag-continue kami gumawa ng free tutorials just like this. Huwag kalimutan mag-like ng video at mag-subscribe sa channel namin. Mag-iwan ng comments or questions sa baba. Gusto naming makarinig mula sa inyo. This channel is dedicated to helping you build your very first website with simple tools and easy steps. So maraming salamat sa panonood at kita-kits sa susunod na video.